Hey girl, so I'm actually about to leave. I'm requesting, I'm going back home. Also, I need to sort out some things for school, so that's why I'm also leaving so abruptly. Yeah, I decided yesterday that I'm leaving today, so that's why I'm just leaving like this. And yeah, firstly I have to go to the police station to certify some things of mine, and then what else for the day? I just need to get home and unpack my stuff. Just some organization and stuff, you know, nothing too hectic, and that's about it. But I'll see as the day goes, so let's go, guys. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, guys. I'm going to say this in every single vlog until I get to 5k subscribers, and then the next goal is 10k subscribers, you know. So let's get it, guys. Let's go. I forgot to show you guys my OOTD, so I'm wearing this cropped top from Revolve. Guys, I feel like my weight goal is coming into place because I lost 2 kgs this December. And then I'm wearing these jeans. Where did I get these? I think China Mall. This is how they look, whatever these are called. And my cap, some lip gloss, no makeup vibes, and let's get it. Okay guys, so I'm on my way to the police station. So which way should I take? Just getting something certified, and then I'm gonna go with my mother to her appointment. So right now I'm just gonna go to the police station. Yeah, hopefully it's not full, guys, because yo Jesus, if it's full I'm gonna die. Jesus, the potholes in this country, guys. No. So I have to be back before quarter to 11. What quarter to 10, because appointment is at 11. So I'm gonna have to. So I hope it's not full, otherwise, yo, Jesus Christ. Okay. I'm getting messages from Buffalo, and like honestly, customs, I don't really have money right now. I'm gonna have to relax. I'm just gonna quickly do this, and then I'll see you guys when I do something else. So she see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Came out of nothing, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You're just a fan. You don't hold ring. No. Guys, let me just close that door. Please don't mind if my lips are not moisturized, because I'm literally so petrified, literally shaking. But it's not even something that huge, but like something almost like something bad happened when I was getting up the house. Like imagine Axel and that happens. But anyways, it's not even that big. That's someone who doesn't drive every day, like, you know. And then like I saw an accident right here, and I'm just like, oh, it's like a really bad accident, guys. Like I'm shaking. Like sometimes you don't even want to drive. Like sometimes you just don't even want to drive when you seeing things like this, and I'm just like you get what I'm saying. But anyways, I'm here at Woolies. I'm about to go in. Yeah, my dad also sent me to some hardware store to get something for him. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna get that Woolies chicken and some rolls and some cool drink, just for like a light dinner. What else did they send me? Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, and noodles, sorry. And then yeah, just go to that hardware store and then just come out. But yay, don't drive.
Pretty ass, smelling ass, nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up around me, nigga, ain't a plan, but I'm coming for the kitty, got my full goddamn. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they watching for the boy right now. Goddamn, what a time, what a year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie.
So I'm back home, and I just wanted to show you guys the mirror that I got. I'm trying to clean it up right now, so yeah, clean it up with me, I guess. I'm still in my jeans, but I just can't wait to clean this mirror. So let's clean it.
But you wanna fuck me down, but you wanna love me down. Ray can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Bring a nigga, show me something. Shake it like you owe me something. Check on the button like a button, keep on time, still getting ready in the function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you beat?
There we go. But at the moment, guys, sorry for the noise. At the moment, I don't know where to put this mirror. I really don't know. But yeah, outfit check. Hi. So I'm actually looking for something to wear right now so I can be nice and comfortable. Take out my shoes, take out these jeans.
She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she say my heat. She said, but I live in the hills. Bitch, that's just the way I sleep. Stop that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic with Mac 11s. Bad bitch, and she's Spanish. I fire that call the best. So we get nasty, I'm a dance. I know a nigga ain't average. Girl, I've been wrong with big asses.
Good morning. I just feel like this vlog is just gonna be me trying to get my life together and everything in between, because as I said, I am back home, and let me just show you the state of my room. This is just the clothes I'm folding and my jeans, and then those there are the clothes that I'm giving away. And I was just also unpacking my suitcase, and right now I'm done here. This is just my makeup bag, and then like I still need to do here, and then I'm a bit done here, and I'm still busy here, and there I'm still busy. So that's just me for today. So organize with me. Cue in the music.
That's nice, baby.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, that just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? What a man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Prego. Hit around with nigga called Petro. Suck nigga, shoulda knew it from the get-go.
Nice.
Don't play with it.
This is nice.
Don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it.
Okay guys, so right now I actually just want to do like a nice I already started on the vision board, but I think I'm gonna do like something different from the usual vision boards that we see on Pinterest and everybody else's vision boards and everything. I just want like a simple, very straightforward vision board. So I'm using my Noteful app. This is the app. Let me just show you. This is the app that I'm using. It's called Noteful. I just made like my 2024 goals and affirmations. I mixed it into one. Yeah, I literally just put in the basic things that I want to be doing more, you know, like some type of like to-do list to make sure that I keep doing. And then also I put up here that this is going to be the saying that I live by. This is the saying that I want to live by. It says, live by the saying, take up space. So this year I really want to take up more space within what I want to do, within everything that I do. Just make sure that I take up space, that I don't feel bad about doing something, because no, but yeah, if you get it, you get it. Okay, I don't think I really can explain this, you know. So yeah, and then like it's just hashtags. I use like hashtags be bold, hashtag love yourself, hashtag God is the way. So I'll just mention a few things in my to-do list. My hair and nails are not done, so this is one of the things that I put in my board, that always have your hair done, always have your nails done, and also always pray. Like the study hard part is just like a general thing that I want to push myself into doing more, like study more often, and not procrastinate, because one thing about me, I will procrastinate, you know. So I don't want to do that anymore. There's times where I really just don't procrastinate, because I understand the importance of this, of the task I'm doing or something, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, also going to the gym and having a clean girl aesthetic. I feel like my clean girl aesthetic will only start when I change this purple color on my wall, because I do not want it. I don't want this purple color, or this gray color. Guys, someone just texted me and it's really important. I need to reply. So I just want to finish up this part of the video, this vision board one. And then with regards to my goals, it's obviously to save more money. And then the other ones, I don't really want to put out there, you know, because sometimes you don't know, guys, if you're jinxing yourself. Excuse me for my dry lips. Let me just moisturize. Yeah, sometimes it's just like you jinxing yourself or something, you know. So guys, also tell me why I'm not recording with my camera and I'm recording with my phone. Like I feel like I'll only be able to continue recording with my camera when I what is it, get my SD card, so that I can, from my camera to my iPad. So I can't really transfer stuff from my phone to my iPad or camera to my iPad right now until I get the SD card adapter reader. Yeah, so I need to get it on Takealot. I'll just order that on Monday. And then yeah, so basically I'll just show you guys the pictures that I've used. This is one of the pictures. It's just like a person studying and stuff. And then I also used this one. This says do it for your future self. And then like this one says you can. And this one is just like nails, you know. This one is just like toenails and nails. And then this one is just hair. Of which, guys, I don't know how I'm gonna end up with the hair one, because I always have to install wigs and everything. So yeah, I don't know about that one. So we'll see about that one. But anyways, yeah, that is my vision board. I don't really want to show the whole of it because you guys are gonna read, you know. So but I just wanted something plain simple that I wanted to make sure that I actually understand, and that's why I wrote a lot of things in sentences. I wrote more than put pictures, so that I have a clear understanding of what my goals actually are, you know. So yeah, right now I'm just going through my Pinterest, and then that's it for my vision board, you guys. And yeah, I feel like I'm gonna end the video here. So that's some organizing for today. I'm done. Oh, so glad I'm done. My friend Ayanda is gonna come tomorrow to take some clothes that I don't wear anymore, because guys, I constantly and regularly try to clean out my closet, and I just wear things once and then just try to give them away, because I just feel like me keeping these things, I know I'm not gonna wear anything. I'm not gonna wear everything, you know what I'm saying? And also some things come and they're small, and then some things come and they're big, of which the big ones I can take them in for alterations. But then the small ones, it's better for me to give them away. You know, I also have sisters. I also send stuff there, and that's about the best I can do. So she's gonna come tomorrow and she's gonna pick what she wants and everything, and then also I'm gonna give the rest to our see. She said she also wanted some stuff because she has a child, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. I'm so sorry if you guys didn't see anything exciting or something in this vlog, but I was really trying to just get my life together because I've been slacking, and it's the second week of January, so I need to get things going. So that's why this vlog was just me indoors getting life together, and that's about it for the weekend. Tomorrow on Sunday I don't really have much planned, so yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.